Oh man, that was painful. I've really been dreading this job, but somehow all this has got to go in there. So guys, welcome back. It's time for me to pick up where I left off last time. Last week we went down to Adelaide and did a bit of baby shopping. Finally starting to feel a little bit more ready. We got a pram, car seat, we started getting clothes, and also I stopped in at a caravan supplier just to get my head around on what things are going to be costing, get a little bit of advice and tips for the caravan build. Really keen to get these holes in the roof sorted because there's a fair bit of water getting in. We've had a little bit of rain these past couple of weeks, but looking back here, there doesn't seem to be any water getting through these holes that were here. So I'm pretty happy about that. Alright, but enough talking, let's get back into it. Accidentally smashed the window.
What? How did you do that?
I don't know, I wasn't keen to replace them, but might have to now. Whoops. So guys, I just had some lunch. It's been a pretty productive morning. I'll show you what I got up to. So all the demo's done. You'll notice I've left this all intact. It's actually in pretty good nick, so the less work I have to do, the better. And this is pretty shattering. I accidentally put my hammer through the window. I wasn't really planning on replacing any windows, but I guess that one has to be replaced now. Yeah, let's get into some framing. How's the veggie patch going?
The broccoli patch? Look at the raindrops on them actually.
Oh, it looks so cool. So this is our veggie patch. There's tomatoes, broccoli.
Are they tomatoes or broccoli as well?
No, they're tomatoes. Red onion. I think the broccoli is going to take over. Garden peas. Spinach. Poor old Brussels sprouts.
Not existing Brussels
I think
sprouts.
they're dead. They're nearly dead.
You got the keys?
Good catch.
Welcome home.
How's the baby doing?
It likes it. It likes it.
So, stage 2 is going to get underway very soon. Thought I'd just come out here today and we're going to go through the layout. We're still not 100% sure on how we want everything, but yeah, we'll have a little bit of a discussion. But after that, today we're just going to relax. It's time for a chill out day. Is this the toilet?
Watch the hole.
So one thing we do want is we want to have a bathroom. So here you can see the old layout. This was like the bed, and then there was like a wall separating these two halves. Kitchen was there, and then yeah, that's the old hole for the, I don't know why they had a hole for the table, because the thing was bolted down. Yeah, the chairs were here. Back there, what was that? That was like, this was another like bed. Another bed. So what are you thinking?
Well, we need a spot for the bathroom. The
back there is going to be the bed, and we think we'll go widthways. Get a nice big bed.
It's going to be a massive bed.
Yeah.
Do we need that?
It's going to have to fit the baby in as well.
Needs to fit 3 of us. But do you think that would be too big, or do you think we can make it a little bit?
Yeah,
a little bit to save some room.
We might have to.
Then I'm thinking this is where the bathroom should be.
Yeah.
Because there's no window, but there is this bit.
Yeah, we're going to have to work around that. So with our bathroom, we're just going to have a small cubicle for a shower and toilet. I think we might just get one of the little portable toilets rather than plumbing anything in, just for cost, and I guess it's a little bit easier to install.
But we could always put like the little basin on top of this, and then the shower can come out there. There's still heaps of room.
I don't know. Who's got the tape measure?
That's your job.
Yeah. I had an idea for this just to be a bench top with lots of storage, and then maybe a floor to ceiling wardrobe.
Oh, yeah.
Just over that wheel arch.
Over there?
Yeah. And just have this area here as, well, kitchen here, and then table and seat there.
And if that
could change into a bed.
Yeah. Just how big would we want that though?
Probably out to that door, edge of the door. And then start the kitchen here to the bathroom.
Do you reckon that's a big enough kitchen? Well, if we have a bench spot there as well.
Just have the sink.
I just can see myself needing more bench space. Or even if we had, because I guess if you have a pop-up table there and have a bit of a bench there, you can work with it.
Yeah.
You can chop the potatoes there, and I can feed the baby there and do the washing up here. Yeah. We've never really caravaned before, so we don't really know what we want or what's going to work. We're literally just throwing ideas around.
So this is going to be the little experiment. If we don't like it, we might just sell it.
And then make something that we like.
Yeah. So like I said before, no work on the caravan today. The weather's pretty good, so we've come down the beach for a stroll. And I haven't flown my drone in a while, so I reckon we might fly that as well. Guys, back at it again, another weekend in the caravan. Last night I had a little session in there, got home from work, didn't even go inside, just went straight in the caravan, and I'll show you what I did. Super windy these past few days, I don't know if you can hear, but yeah, luckily I'm going to be inside the caravan. Ta-da! So, there is no floor. So yeah, last night I got home, and after a bit of thought, you might remember in the previous vlog I said I wasn't going to do this, but I'm so glad I did, because now this is so easily accessible. I'm going to start rubbing back all the surface rust. You might be able to, you probably can't tell, but I did this little corner here yesterday just to see how it went. It's going to be time consuming, super satisfying, but yeah, we'll see how we go. And then obviously having the floor off, it's going to be easier to put the tank back in. I'm going to get a new tank, and yeah, so well, we've got a big weekend here. Let's get into it. So it's been pretty slow going with the caravan these past few weeks. Brie and I have just been flat out with work and prepping for the baby. We've only got 2 months today, I think it is, before our little one arrives, and it's been, it's gone super fast, so we better get our butts into gear and be ready for that. So the caravan's taken a bit of a back seat, but I've been able to get out there a couple of times just to do a few little jobs. The chassis and the bottom frame is completely cleaned, ready for paint, which I'll be doing in the next episode. Hopefully be able to prep up all the outside as well, get that all neatened up, ready for paint. And then we've got wiring, we've got tons of stuff to do. So hopefully in the next episode we'll start cracking on with that. Well guys, that wraps up this episode of our caravan renovations. Make sure you're subscribed, hit that like button, and we'd love to hear from you, so leave a comment down below, and see you in the next one.